Today we're reviewing the Kyocera Milano by Lightyear Wireless. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing and this nice attractive Sprint box that you get this phone in. And this phone is excellent, guys, for the person who is making the switch to Android, getting their first smartphone, and looking for something that bridges the gap but also gives them full functionality. What I love about this phone is its affordability. And, the perfect user for something like this is, again, somebody who is looking to go to Android but is not ready for quite the high end. As you see, its anatomy, the things that stand out for you right away are obviously its nice, bright, vibrant screen. It's got a 3-inch screen, which is a little smaller than most phones, so it's a very convenient size, fits in the palm of your hand, as you can see here, fits in your pocket very well. And the fact that it has the slide-out QWERTY keyboard, which is also very convenient because the size of the phone and the QWERTY keyboard puts the keys a little quicker together for faster texting, faster input, and the fact that they're raised up off of the bottom a little bit makes them easier to find than normal keyboards, and certainly the touchscreen keyboard. You can see its size compared to other phones that are considered, basic or entry level. This is the LG Optimus here. You can see the Optimus is a great phone as well, and one of our leading sellers. But this is the Optimus, and this is the Milano. So you can see the size difference is the Optimus is a little bit taller, has a little bit bigger screen, but width is about the same. And the specs of the phones are incredibly the same in many ways, with the exception that the Milano does have the slide-out keypad. The Milano, guys, is priced right. You can get the phone for a very good price with Lightyear. If you're looking for affordability, this is the right phone, considering Sprint sells this phone for $300 on their website with no contract. Lightyear is going to be a few $100s cheaper at the very least. So enjoy that feature. And now we're going to really go through some of the features and the anatomy of the phone, some of the things it'll do. But like all Android models, guys, this comes with the latest Android operating system, which is the 2.3 Gingerbread. So no update is required. It's going to come preloaded with Gingerbread. It's going to come preloaded with the Google and the Android Marketplace. So all Androids work very similar to each other in the fact that they have the ability to do a lot of the same things. So syncing to your car, Bluetooth, syncing to Google, Gmail accounts, all of that stuff is going to apply with this phone. And now we're going to tackle some of the things that it does very, very well and lets you see just the power of this phone. Even though it's entry level, for people making that switch to Android, getting their first Android, their first smartphone, looking for affordability, children, people who don't want, the end-all phone like an Android or something, or like an Evo. This is the Evo compared. You can see the size difference. We're going to now take a look at the Kyocera Milano. The talk, texting, and email functions on the Milano are also very, very good. Like any Android phone, it's got the same operating system. So to make a phone call is really simple. We just click the phone button. We type in the phone number we want. We can look at our call log. We can look at our contacts. We can go through them. What I love about this is all the contacts that are saved into Gmail. For me, no matter what device I use, once I log into Gmail one time on the phone, it dumps them right into my phone. I can dial by contact. I can dial by name. I can use voice dialing if I'd like to. I can do that. I can sync up to audio through my vehicle and make calls that way. But making phone calls is very simple. If you prefer to do it using buttons, you can do that as well by using the slide-out keypad. That's also available as well. So making phone calls is very simple. Texting is also very easy. Your messages are all right here. You can send new texts, test messages. There's one to Ron. I can send them out. It's very simple to do texting, guys. And with the QWERTY keyboard, even simpler. And also email. There's a great stock email program built in. You can sync work email, personal email, any email account you want out there. Microsoft Exchange. You can do you can do Pop, IMAP, freebies, whatever you want. I use the Gmail application, which is my preferred way of doing it, which it comes loaded right here on the phone. I've had Gmails already popped into this phone, and I can show those right here. It's very simple to do. Gives me a notification at the top, new email, and it shows you the email that I've got. So email is very easy. It pushes in real time like a BlackBerry, like any smartphone should do. So talk, text, and email functions of the Milano, just like any Android phone, guys, is very efficient, very easy to use, and you're really going to enjoy that. Obviously, on an Android, you love access to the Android marketplace, which as of today is recorded over 1 billion downloads per day worldwide. So the downloaded amount of downloads from the Android marketplace, and the fact that you have full functionality of that on your Milano is fantastic. You know, I've just logged into the Android marketplace. I'm downloading the Netflix application. I'm also, you know, I might even look for other things, other popular things like music, movies, video, sports scores, you name it. One of the more popular applications out there is Pandora. Okay, so you can replace your satellite radio, any of those different things. I can search for Pandora, and you'll see that I'll be able to download that here on this phone as well. It's searching all of the marketplace for that application. It'll bring up all kinds of different things, Netflix, you know, anything that you want, you're going to be able to find right here on the marketplace, guys. The marketplace is excellent, and it will give you access to hundreds of thousands of free applications that you can use on your phone to do anything from watch movies, listen to music, you know, follow sports, you name it. It's all there. So let's take a brief look at the media functions of the Kyocera Milano. Like any Android model, it has a great stock music player, but if you prefer, you can go to the marketplace and download any type of music MP3 player, sync with your iTunes, whatever you want to do. But we'll just focus on the stock music player. I loaded a few songs in there. You just simply touch them, and it brings up, it sorts by artist, album, songs, playlists if you want to do. So it takes a place, you know, it works much like an iPod or any other MP3 player. This will sync to your Bluetooth in your vehicle. It's got a very convenient headphone out jack. So that'll allow you to hook up to your car or to headphones or whatever you want to do. But you just simply play. We can just play what we've got in there, and you can hear it playing out when it starts. Turn up the volume, and we can switch to song to song. We can go back by whatever you want to do. So it's very simple. We can start by album. We can do it that way. It's very simple. So enjoy that. The music players are great. Now let's take a look at Pandora. Pandora is one of the coolest applications you're going to find out there for streaming media and audio. It allows you to basically make up your own station, and Pandora will automatically play the type of music that you want, and it'll also pair it with other songs and artists of similar genre and style. So I've just went in here, Alan Jackson Radio. I like Alan Jackson. I'll just go ahead and play it. And I can scroll through. It's ad-supported. Pandora is free. So if you sync up to Bluetooth, if you sync up with your audio cord, however you want to do it, it's going to play it flawlessly. And because it's completely unlimited data with Lightyear, you can stream music all day long, all you want, to any device you want to, right here through Pandora. It's a great application. Enjoy that, guys. It's second to none. And you know, I wasn't even sure if this would work or not, but it's really, really good, to be honest with you. I've used other 3G smartphones, and the audio and video hasn't quite synced up well when watching streaming movies from Netflix. But I'm just on the 3G network. I'm not on Wi-Fi, and I'm watching Toy Story right here on the Kyocera Milano. And it's doing a very good job. So it's buffered right there. It'll buffer in some more of the flick. I just started it, and then it'll play it again. But heck yeah, I mean, you can watch Netflix movies right here on the go. You're on an airplane, link up Wi-Fi, however you want to do it. Great feature to have. You know, streaming movies, and if you're a Netflix subscriber, then you can watch, literally, there's tens of thousands of movies in there that you have access to. You can watch anytime you want because you have unlimited data, right? Enjoy that feature, guys. It's a great feature to have on a smartphone. And with all Android phones, the Kyocera Milano has a great built-in GPS and navigation program with Google Maps. I just brought Google Maps up here on the phone. It actually pinpoints my location right here. I can zoom in on my location by opening up the phone just like that. It's very simple. You can see that's where I'm actually located here in my office. But I could actually navigate. I can, you know, I can search for an address. I can voice search. For example, if I wanted to say Starbucks, and now it's going to look for Starbucks, and I could navigate to any of those that I want to. Do a lot of things. So navigating to that turn-by-turn voice directions through navigation is available through it. It comes standard on any Android, but certainly on the Kyocera Milano, just like it would on any Android. So enjoy that. You can replace your Garmin or your TomTom, works just as accurately. And again, if you link it up to your vehicle via Bluetooth or audio jack, it'll be able to give you those turn-by-turn directions just like any other GPS device would as well. So it's a great feature to have on your phone. How about a wireless hotspot, guys? The Milano actually gives you access to making it a Sprint hotspot. You can add the plan through Lightyear, but basically will become a wireless router. You don't need any wires. You don't need any cords to sync it to. You certainly don't need any tethering software. Everything's built in. You can subscribe to the plan, which are very reasonable, and make this your modem or your Wi-Fi router. All you'd have to do is just hit Sprint hotspot. It's going to tell you what to do. You just hit OK, and then you just turn it on, just like I did there. Now you can see its settings are doing it. It's going to turn it into a hotspot. Give it just a second, it'll turn it on. Then I'm going to actually show you right here on my computer that it's picking it up just like it would a wireless network or a wireless router. So it's on, it's good to go. You can see it up there in the top. You can see the indication up in the top. And what will happen is if you go over here to my computer, when I go to choose a wireless network, you can see right there the Milano. That's it. So it just picks up like your computer. If it has wireless on it, it'll pick your phone right up. You can connect to it, no problem. You're sharing the internet at wireless speeds right on your laptop. No need for a router, no need for cords, no need for any of that. So it's a great feature to have, guys. And what you think is a basic smartphone does it all: talk, text, data, email, streaming video, streaming movies. You're able to do your audio and media playing functions. You've got access to YouTube. You've got a nice slide-out QWERTY keyboard. And you know what, guys? It's at an affordable price. And with Lightyear, you can actually get the service for free. So enjoy the Kyocera Milano. What a great phone. What a great bargain. And if you get one of these phones, I just know you're going to enjoy it. And we'll see you next time.